Welcome to this video of noise reduction in Audacity. So I got my Audacity set up right here. What you gonna do? Okay, let's record and sample audio clip. This is a sample audio clip. 1 2 3 1 2 3. What I did here, I left a pause right here. So there is a straight line. So what you're gonna do? You wanna select that straight line and go to FX noise reduction, and you have to get the noise profile. Okay, before I reduce my background noise, I just want to preview it. Okay, this is a sample audio clip. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this is the before one. And what you're gonna do, you want to select all. It's already selected. So if you want to select all, just click Ctrl plus A, but it's already selected, so I'm not gonna do. Go to effect again and noise reduction. We have already selected noise reduction and click OK. See those lines? When I click OK, it will get reduced. Yep, there is a tiny difference. What we are doing here, that we are teaching Audacity that how our background noise sounds in the background, and we are applying it to all over the video, I mean audio. So the AI recognizes and it detects the background noise. Okay, let's hear it. This is a sample audio clip. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Well, you might be hearing a bit echo, but that's because I'm using my default mic. So there is like two audios recording. But I promise you, if you do this on your PC and follow the same steps just as I did, it will work just fine. Just follow the noise reduction procedure. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.